94, 95, solve the equation by the square root property. So first, this quantity isn't squared on the left side, so I'm going to divide by 6 first. So now I have x squared equals 9. Now this quantity is squared. Now I can use the square root property. In fact, I'm taking the square root of both sides of this equation. The square root of x squared is x. And since I introduced the square root, it's like taking the absolute value. So we need plus or minus 3. So x equals 3, x equals negative 3. Those are the two solutions here. When you're using the square root property, just make sure you have plus or minus, plus or minus, plus or minus. Same here. This quantity is squared, so I can use the square root property here. Take the square root of both sides. Square root of x minus 3 squared is just x minus 3. And this equals plus or minus 7. So I have two solutions here. X minus 3 equals 7. X minus 3 equals negative 7. Solve each of these. X equals 10. X equals negative 4. You can see they work, right? 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 squared is 49. Negative 4 minus 3 is negative 7. Negative 7 squared is still 49.